Before we begin, I want to speak directly to you as a trader, because if you're here, it means FOMO, fear of missing out, has been shaping your decisions more than your plan. And you already know the truth. FOMO is never about the chart. It's about your nervous system. Your conscious mind can say, I shouldn't chase this, but your unconscious wiring still throws you into the trade. And until you change that wiring, not logically, but emotionally and physically, FOMO will always return. This meditation is designed to retrain your unconscious mind, to calm the survival response that gets triggered when price moves without you, to build a grounded internal state so powerful that urgency loses its grip. You can't think your way out of FOMO. You have to feel your way out of it. That's why this practice is so important. If you suffer from FOMO, if you chase candles, jump into setups that aren't yours, stay glued to charts, or feel panicked when markets move without you, then listen to this meditation every day until the feeling of missing out no longer has power over you. Over time, your body will learn a new response. Calm instead of panic, presence instead of chasing. So settle in, find a quiet place, sit or lie comfortably, and allow yourself to be here fully. Don't listen while driving or performing any task that requires focus. Take a slow breath in through your nose. Hold. And exhale gently through your mouth. Let your breathing settle into a soft, natural rhythm. Right now, there is nowhere to be, nothing to catch, nothing to prove, just you breathing. Bring your awareness to the top of your head. Feel any tension melting away, your forehead smoothing, the muscles around your eyes releasing, your jaw loosening naturally. Let your tongue rest gently against the floor of your mouth. Breathe and soften. Feel the relaxation flowing down your neck, across your shoulders. Let your shoulders drop away from your ears. Let this warmth travel down your arms, past your elbows, into your hands, all the way to your fingertips. Your hands becoming warm, heavy, peaceful. Now relax your chest. Let it open without effort. Let each exhale empty out tension. Relax your stomach. Undo the knots. Let it soften, really soften. Let the relaxation flow deeper down your spine, your lower back, your hips releasing into the surface beneath you. Relax your thighs, your knees, your calves, your ankles, and allow the soft warmth to move into your feet. Let your toes loosen and spread slightly. Your whole body now feels heavy, supported, quiet. Take another slow breath in and exhale everything out. You are here, present, safe. Bring your awareness gently to your chest. Notice the subtle pull of urgency you sometimes feel, the tightness, the pressure, the sense of I have to act right now. Just notice it. Don't fight it. Say silently, I allow this feeling and I am safe. Now imagine yourself at your trading desk. Screens glowing softly in the dark, but you're calm, grounded, watching without reacting. Price begins to move fast, the kind of move that normally triggers FOMO. A breakout, a sudden surge, a big candle. See it clearly and feel your body staying completely relaxed. Say in your mind, I can watch without chasing. I am not in danger. I lose nothing by waiting. Feel that truth land inside your body. Imagine the feeling of urgency shrinking, becoming lighter, unimportant, like a distant echo that can't reach you anymore. You're breathing slowly, steadily. You're in control of yourself. And that means you're in control of your trading. Repeat silently and slowly. I release urgency from my body. I trade by choice, not impulse. I don't need to catch everything. I wait for what is mine. I am calm whether I enter or not. Feel your nervous system softening with each statement. Let these words travel deeper. I choose patience over panic. I choose discipline over chasing. I choose clarity over fear. I choose presence over urgency. I choose consistency over chaos. I choose myself over my impulses. Take one last slow breath in and exhale with a soft sigh. You have nothing to prove. You are not behind. You are not missing anything meant for you. Start to feel your body again. The weight of your legs, the softness of your hands, the calm in your chest. Now gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Roll your shoulders back. Take one more deep, grounding breath, and when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. You've just taken a powerful step toward ending FOMO at the unconscious level. If you listen daily, your body will naturally learn a new response: calm awareness instead of compulsive urgency. If you want to go deeper into mastering fear, detaching from impulses, and building true emotional control in trading, check the links below this video for tools, programs, and guided resources that support your psychological edge. Trade well, stay calm, and remember, you are not here to catch everything. You are here to trade with clarity and peace.